Welcome back to Advanced Lectures of 2025 August. Nice video here to end off the week. What is fear conditioning? And a slight insight into a future video, which is exposure therapy. So look out for that one. We're just going to be referencing these visuals here. And it really is as simple as this. So hopefully I am that platform to help wake you up and take the action as needed. So steps to overcome your fear: name your fear, write it down and get clear about what you're facing. For example, I'm scared to change careers because I might fail. Now we've already covered self-image and comfort zone, so please refer to these videos so I don't have to repeat myself as they go into depth on the specific topics. But this is a really great example that we've already covered on the channel, and go and check it out. Understand its role. Ask yourself, what is my fear trying to protect me from? Your brain is wired to keep you safe. So when you're having fear, it's likely something that is out of your comfort zone. Reframe the fear, shift your mindset from what if I fail to what would I gain if I try. It's a complete mindset shift. Take small steps. Break big challenges into manageable actions. Start where you are. Exactly what I use every day. Build resilience. Each time you confront fear, your strength grows. Recognize and celebrate these wins. Same as last videos where we was talking about discipline is a muscle. You have to take consistent steps each day. The same applies with fear conditioning. Seek support, lean on friends, mentors, or even professionals to help guide your journey. I use my network. You guys can use whoever you like, and that will help. I'm not going to read these out, but really good visual of what not to do and what to do. So you can pause and read that. 9 tips to overcome your fears. Acknowledge that the fear exists. Flip this perspective. Set goals to overcome. Take small action. Stay in your own lane. Create over consume. Stop overthinking. Remember that failure is feedback. Really important. Stretch yourself. So a little sneak peek into a future video. Exposure therapy places a person in situations where they experience the source of their distress. It illustrates the idea that exposure, not avoidance, is the path to decreased anxiety symptoms, increased comfort in a variety of situations and experiences. Meaningful progress is often reported after one extended session or 3 1-hour sessions, blah blah blah. So I look at fear and every emotion as exposure therapy. Every single thing that is outside of my comfort zone is treated as exposure therapy in order for me to grow. I will go really in depth in this video because I'm very passionate about it. I use it very much. And yeah, so look out for this video. Hopefully this video has helped you shift your perspective on fear and ways to combat it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Just before I go, I want to thank you guys for your support and the engagement that I'm getting from you guys is very much appreciated. It keeps me going. I love replying to comments and building up a relationship with you guys, so keep it up. And I will see you guys in the next video, and peace.